Hey grade 9, it's Mr. Nickel here. This is your tutorial on how to add lower third graphics onto your Streeter news stories. So first thing you're going to do is find the spot in your clip where you want to put your lower third, and you're going to click on Effects and go to Text and go to Lower Third. You're going to make your lower thirds 5 seconds at the top, the duration. You are going to change the name of each to whoever they are, and you need to put an identifier. So Cole is a grade 9 student, and that's what it's going to look like. Now I want you to pick a font that is large enough that is easy to read, and I want you to also, under motion, click on drop shadow and add a drop shadow. So when you add and do an override edit on that, when you add it, it's actually going to show up quite well. Position it so where it's not going to be off the screen, and there you go. You have your lower third text graphics. You need to have them made for 5 seconds for each of the people that you interview every time.